She spent the last 44 years to avenge her best friend's death. Her best friend was the second wife of a famous race car driver, John Paul, and John Paul was also one of the biggest drug smugglers, marijuana smugglers back in the 80s. He's been on the run. He's been tracked all the way through Europe, Thailand. He did 12 years in Leavenworth.
12 and a half a sentence.
He had 25 years in Leavenworth
prior
for the drug smuggling.
It was for attempted murder on Stephen Carson.
Okay, so he had shot the guy 5 times, so that's why he went to Leavenworth.
Yes.